name is Merrick Joseph. Welcome to Rosedale Software. I'm happy to introduce Mr. Sanjukt, Saha, and Ms. Swastika Gurung, founders of WallOBooks. Hello, ma'am. Hello, sir.
Yes, hi.
Hello.
Let me introduce my friends. This is Ben Arnold and this is Rasisha Goel. Hello, sir. Ma'am.
Hello.
Please introduce yourself.
Oh. Okay, so my name is Sanjukt. I am a paper scientist.
Okay, my name is Swastika and I come from this beautiful hill station called Kurseong. Have you heard about Kurseong? Hello.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay. So Kurseong is a beautiful hill station in West Bengal and I come from Kurseong. And apart from that, what is more interesting about me? Yes, I love speaking with kids like you. Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. What is this WallOBooks project? Can you please explain?
The WallOBooks project is a very it's a project to allow children to make and share storybooks with other children.
Thank you, sir. Over to Ben.
Thank you, Merrick. Hello, sir. Hello, ma'am. Myself, Ben Arnold.
Hello. Yes.
I have a question for you.
Okay.
How many libraries have you done so far? Do the children like this idea and make use of them?
Okay, well, we have built around 200 libraries across India. And starting from Calcutta to we built in Bangalore, Delhi, in the Northeast, we've done it in Arunachal Pradesh and Gujarat. Yes,
Delhi.
Yeah, Delhi and like 8 states here in India. Yeah.
And yes, the children, I think the children like it, but we are not very sure.
Thank you, ma'am. Over to Raisha.
Thank you, Merrick. Hello, ma'am. Hello, sir. Do you have any projects in Kerala?
No, we do not have any project as of now, but we would love to work with kids like you in Kerala.
But we have got two friends from Kerala who are scientists who are trying to create a very interesting radio which can be used by little children who cannot read very well. So behind every storybook, we have got a QR code. So we are creating a radio where little children who cannot read well, they can just scan the book on that device and they can listen to the story. So the two scientists who are helping us are from Kerala.
Thank you, ma'am, and thank you, sir. Any happy incident that you would like to share?
Well, there are many such incidents which has made us very proud of the kids that we were. So, what do I share with you? Okay, let me tell you about not an instant, but okay, there is something in our library which we do where the kids, they elect their own little leader to take care of the library. So when they elect their little leader, they are very serious, okay? And they choose the best leader amongst the entire class. So yeah, that is, I guess, it's very interesting because kids become very responsible and yeah, kids become very responsible. Yeah, that's it. And what about you? Do you think there are any such incidents?
There are thousands of interesting things that happened. One funny incident I remember is that there are children who want to touch my beard. Then there are some children who make how do you say, they kind of make a little fun of me, like speaking like this, and I wonder what they say. And I once overheard what they said. So it was rainy season, and I used to carry this large umbrella, and I used to be a little fat. So they were talking about them, talking amongst themselves कि ये जो मोटा अंकल है ये क्या हमेशा हर जगह अपना छतरी लेके जाते हैं, like that.
Can you guys understand Hindi?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So I think what is very interesting about most of our experiences are that, do you guys remember the song Chota Bachcha Samajh Ke Mujhko, something like that? Chota Bachcha Samajh Ke Mujhko Na, something?
Yeah, nah, something I
Do you know?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
so what we do is, like you saw, that our books are made by children, they are for children, the library is managed by children, and we think that children can be amazing leaders. And we were actually very scared about this interview. Before the interview, we switched on the screen, and Swastika was trying to ensure that we present we were scared about what questions you will ask. So when students become leaders, and when they vote, and when they decide that how to run their library, they decide so many things. It's very important to do that, and most of our happy experiences come from when some of these children start taking leadership. All kinds of funny things happen, you know, all kinds of funny things happen.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. Over to Merrick.
Thank you, Raisha. What is your message for children like us who stay in apartments and gated communities? How to promote reading among our friends?
So, see, that's a question that we can answer very easily, which is, we have made it very easy to make storybooks. Okay. Now, when you want to read storybooks, all of you want to be writers also, isn't it? Some of you at least. Now, reading doesn't go separately from writing. If you want to read good storybooks, you also have to write. So the storybooks that we have kind of invented is not only gives children a way to read, but also a way to write. So when you your question is, if you're staying in an apartment or gated community, it doesn't matter really. A storybook can take you to any place in your imagination, but you should not try to do it alone. What you should do is, you should write a storybook, you should share a storybook, you should steal a storybook, you should gift a storybook. And when you do that, there are two ways to make friends in this world, okay? One is when you play a sport with someone. The second is when you share something with someone. So one of the things that you can share with other children around you is a storybook. You can also share various other things, but you can also share storybooks. You want to say something, Swastika?
No.
Thank you, sir. Over to Ben.
How do you get the book?
How do you think we get it?
But
Children write it.
Yes. So, there is one more message I want to give you. Okay. You know what is the best part of being a child? The best part of being a child is to be not so serious and to tell the truth and not to be fake. And we adults, we become fake. For example, right now, one of the fake things I'm doing is I'm a serious person, I'm trying to be cool and things like that. But, when you are children, never be afraid. Okay. Always go by, don't how do you say, respect your elders only because they are elders. Okay, respect them for what they are saying. You understand? Right? It's
Yes, sir.
important to really be very genuine and forward.
Thank you,
Okay.
sir. Over to
Interview is
Thank
over.
you, sir.
Hmm.
Thank
That
you,
was the
Ben.
last question. Hmm. Can we ask some questions now to the interviewers?
Sure, sir.
Okay, you guys need to mention to me what are your favorite books, one by one. Yeah. Okay, that is, I think, Raisha. Raisha. Yeah.
Dragon Masters and Hungry to Read.
Dragon Masters.
And Hungry Tulip.
Hungry to Read.
Hungry to.
A Dragon Master, Hungry to Reach.
Hungry to Reach. Okay. Hmm. Okay. What about you, Merrick? Merrick.
The biography of Mahatma Gandhi.
Biography of Mahatma Gandhi. Okay. Yes. What about Ben?
Goosebumps. Goosebumps.
Say that again.
Goosebumps.
Okay, Goosebumps.
Goosebumps. Okay.
Okay, nice.
Now, what is Joyce ma'am's favorite book? Do you guys know?
No, sir.
You better ask. We are done with the questions. What else do you want to know?
Nothing, sir. Thank you for coming. And hit that red button for subscribe. And until next time, it's Ben, Raisha, and Merrick signing off. Bye bye.
Okay.